Good afternoon to respected whoever is watching this video. I am from Sai College of Mahua, Bundelkhand, University of Jhansi. My topic is yoga. Who is introduction is yoga. What is yoga? From where it is come from? Yoga is in ancient arts there that was organized in India almost 6,000 and ago years ago. Yoga is most favorable method to connect to nature by balancing the mind and body connection. This exercise is the best type of activity performed through the balanced body and free mind and their soul. Practicing yoga daily in such a busy life is like a boon that provides us such healthy and activity body physically and mind mentally too. About is yoga. Yoga is very safe type of practice that can be practiced by anyone anytime. It can even be done by children and old aged people to take all its the benefits. Yoga is a type practice which performed to maintain a balanced body and need to get control over diet, breathing, and physically posture. Here, people belong to Buddhism and Hinduism was used to of yoga and meditation. It was originated in India and the word yoga is the originated from the Sanskrit language which has two different meaning. One is union and another one is discipline. Practicing yoga and daily teaches us uniting or connecting both physically and mentally. At in and it cannot be said as the physical practice, but it help human to get control over mental, emotional, spiritual spiritual thought. From the last few years, it become a popular form of the exercise all over the world, but over the Indian community and had almost forgotten it because the in introduction yoga as similar to other activities. Most of the school and organization have the separate class of yoga and some other physical activities, and I present you a list of benefits of yoga which include first number improving that flexibility of muscle. Second number, to make the perfect posture of this video this body. Third number, it makes a better digestive system. Fourth, weight reduction. Five, protection from injury other disease. Six number, it help is skin glow. Seventh, improve blood circulation. Eighth, it enhances muscles relaxation. Ninth, rather than these, there and are many uncountable benefits of yoga. Yoga season mainly include breathing exercise, meditation, stretching, and strengthening exercise. Classification of yoga: the first yoga was named Shiva and is the first guru too. As the sun was the most important in ancient time, Vidya period, which later on came in the first form of the Surya Namaskar, which is the best season of containing 12 yoga poses and help to straighten up the whole body, increasing blood flow in every part of the body. Yoga is classified into the four parts, which are first number Karma Yoga, second number Jnana Yoga, third number Bhakti Yoga, fourth number Kriya Yoga. Calculation, and the calculation for this is that every teacher should teach a perfect combination of basic yoga poses for each seeker or learner, and from the ancient times it is advised to learn yoga under an yoga guru is the best, and we all should do yoga every day early morning to get a healthy and fit body. Should encourage other. Thank you my watching this video, sir.